9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus
L40
4,
ignition
plus 5 seconds.
nominal, S139
Lift off
ignited,
normal.
and vehicle lifts off from the launch pad.
बिल्कुल सामान प्रज्वलन और व्हीकल का प्रक्षेपण.
So vehicle lift off normal, and performance of L40s and S139 has been indicated as normal.
First stage performance normal.
पूरी गर्जना के साथ जमीन के हरित और विशालकाय समुद्र को अलविदा कहता हुआ GSLV-F08 अपनी उस यात्रा पर निकल पड़ा है जहां से उसे गंतव्य के अंतिम चरण पर भारतीय संचार उपग्रह GSAT-6A को अंतरिक्ष में प्रक्षेपित करना है. आप अपने स्क्रीन पर बाकायदा इसके गंतव्य पथ को देख पा रहे हैं.
So 52 seconds into the flight, the vehicle has crossed the atmospheric phase, which is a very critical phase. Right now it is
plus 1 minute.
11 kilometers. And as per the flight sequence, we will have the burnout of S139 stage at 110 seconds when the vehicle would have reached an altitude of around 42.
Sharp 1 in main auto.
So at 75 seconds, performance
Sharp
is
2 in main auto.
very normal in terms of time versus altitude and time versus velocity.
Normal.
So after the S139 burnout, we will have the liquid strap-ons burning for the next 40 seconds. And after the L40 burns out, together the 4 liquid strap-ons and S139 will get separated at 151 seconds. So we are at 100 seconds exactly, altitude around 35 kilometers, and a velocity of 1.5 kilometers.
S139 burnout normal.
So we just heard the announcement. S139 was burnt out at 109 seconds.
Plus 2 minutes.
जी हाँ, जो कोर स्टेज थी S139 वो प्रक्षेपण से बर्न आउट हो चुकी है. इस समय एक स्क्रीन के आप जो देख पा रहे होंगे वो बाकायदा GSLV को अंतिम बिंदु की तरह आगे बढ़ते हुए इस समय हम कुछ ही क्षणों में 150 सेकंड के आसपास द्वितीय चरण के इग्निशन का और प्रथम चरण के पृथक्करण का क्षण देख सकेंगे.
So the event.
L40's engine shut off.
Yes, L40 engine has been
Second
shut off.
Stage ignited.
At 149 seconds, the second stage has been ignited, and the first stage separation successfully completed 152 seconds.
बड़ी ही महत्वपूर्ण घड़ियां होती हैं जब ये द्वितीय चरण इग्नाइट होता है या प्रज्वलित होता है, प्रथम चरण अलग होता है. इसी के साथ ही जो इंटर स्टेज था वो भी अलग हो चुका है और द्वितीय चरण का जो निष्पादन है वो पूरी तरह से सामान्य.
So we just heard the second stage performance is normal. The flight time is 185 seconds, and the vehicle has reached an altitude of around 97 kilometers. The next very important event that we await is at 225 seconds, which is around 30 seconds from now, when the vehicle would have reached an altitude of 115 kilometers, when the heat shield or the payload fairing separation would happen. Right now, heat shield is protecting the spacecraft from the dense atmospheric phase. It has crossed from liftoff to this phase. So 215 seconds, another 10 seconds to go before we have the view of the payload fairing separation.
जी हाँ, ऊष्मीय सुरक्षा कवच के अलग
Payload fairing separated.
Payload fairing successfully separated at 226 seconds.